You have your drawing right where you want it, but now it's time to shade. If you're like me, you have ruined many drawings by shading, until I figured out that you choose one light direction and stick to it, and that shading only works when everything agrees on where the light is coming from. And now I use this rule: one light source and 2 to 3 shades. That's it. Light source is on the right, one side darker, one side lighter. Light is on the right, so shading the left side will be darker. We use the third shade where it is the darkest, like under the eaves of the barn. The reason why we use 2 to 3 shades: if you shade everything evenly, nothing stands out, and all the time you spent drawing will be lost. You can add different looks by changing directions on your shading, but be careful not to use it too much. It will make your drawing look ugly. I'm under the eaves again. Now the light direction is hitting the top of the roof, not under, so under it will be darker. The front of the barn will be lighter because it's closer to the light. So far, we've used only 3 shades. That's it. Front side, light shade. Left side, dark shade. The third shade, the darkest shade. Stick to the shading rule. 2 or 3 shades only. That's it. Let's fix the floating bushes. Now we'll shade the bushes with 2 shades. One for the whole bush, and the darkest shade on the bottom. Now that stops the bush from floating. And shade a little on the wall. I'll add a little bit more depth to the bushes. One thing to remember: you're not shading to make things pretty. You're shading to separate form. Using our darkest shade, the same as under the eaves, will outline the wall to bring the barn closer to us. To shade the path, remember the light direction. Light is on the right. The left side will be darker than the right. That adds depth and creates form for our path. This looks a lot better than when we started, and it doesn't look like this. But something is still missing. Next, we'll make this feel finished without clutter. As always, keep it real and draw what inspires you.